everyone, and today we have a very cute costume for unbox and review. It's Vanilla from Nekopara, and let's get started. All the accessories are super canonical to the character, so you have already everything to do your cosplay, even the ears. Cute stockings made from stretching material. I really like this little ribbon with a bell. Also, you have a really fluffy tail. The main piece made of really good material, and it's stretching on the back. The skirt has a lot of layers, which is giving a really puffy look without using a petticoat. Look at all the details. This cosplay suits me perfectly, which means that size chart from the site CosFun official is correct. And I just can't get enough of this puffy skirt. Thank you for watching, I hope you liked this costume and stay tuned for some new photos. Bye bye!